In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed MailChimp signup forms. We'll start inside your MailChimp account, working with the audience. You want new contacts to join. From the dashboard, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for building anything new in MailChimp, and in our case, it opens the workflow for making a form that you can place on your website. Next, choose Sign Up Form. This tells MailChimp you're creating a form that collects subscriber information and ties it directly to your selected audience. It's a straightforward path that keeps all the data flowing where you expect it. Now, select Embedded Form. Unlike a pop-up or a standalone landing page, an embedded form is designed to live inside your site's pages. Perfect for a blog sidebar, a footer, or a contact page. It blends with your content and lets visitors subscribe without leaving your site. Give your form a clear, descriptive name. Good naming helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to place different forms in different locations. Think in terms of context, like blog sidebar or homepage footer, so you can easily identify performance later. Click. Begin to open the form editor. This is where you'll configure what information you want to collect and how the form appears. Head to Form Fields. This panel controls which fields are visible to subscribers. Keep in mind that simpler forms usually convert better, so only ask for what you truly need. Add the first name, last name, and address fields by selecting them. You'll see these appear in your form preview. Consider whether any of these should be required. For example, email is almost always required, while name and address are often optional to reduce friction. If you include address, remember it typically expands into multiple subfields, so place it thoughtfully and keep the order intuitive. See keys. Email, first name, last name, then address. When you're happy with the fields, click Continue. MailChimp will prepare the embed code and show you a preview. Take a moment to confirm the layout looks clean and readable. If your site has a strong brand style, you can plan to adjust fonts and colors later with your site's CSS. Finally, click Copy Code. This copies the HTML for your form to your clipboard. This is the snippet you'll paste into your website's HTML, such as a custom HTML block in your CMS or a code widget in your page builder. After placing it, test a quick submission to confirm that contacts flow into the right audience and that any required fields behave as expected. And that's it. Your MailChimp sign-up form is ready to embed and start capturing subscribers.